This is a quick tutorial on how to get your free YouTube API key. All you need is a free Google account. I will leave this link in the description for Google Cloud. Make sure you have the correct Google account selected if you have multiple. Project name does not matter, just click Create. APIs shows up in the middle. Go to APIs Overview. Then click on Library. Search for YouTube. And you're going to want the Data API v3. Click on the one result. Click Enable. Then go to Credentials. Then Create Credential. API Key. Create. There's your key there. You can close that window. Open API Key. Restrict it. Save. Then go back in. Show key. Copy the key. And then you can go to Platform Handle Checker. Enter your API key and save it. That will enable the automatic YouTube name checker. So pick a name. I'm just going to do name check. Add it to the list. Auto check YouTube. And boom, that one's available. And that's it.